coronavirus outbreak has made us do things very differently. We are working from home, washing our hands more than ever before, wearing masks when we go out, and maintaining that sanitized environment extends to the car too. The first thing to do is to practice your personal hygiene before you get in your car. Wash or sanitize your hands before and after you drive. Wear your mask to go in the car too, to prevent your own sneeze or cough spreading or even inhaling other droplets when you roll down your window. Before you start off though, thoroughly wipe down the surfaces you would have contact with, like the door handle, steering, seat and the gear lever, seat belts, buttons and knobs, as well as the key itself. To prevent damage to materials, avoid bleach, hydrogen peroxide and ammonia-based products. Disinfectant wipes or even some good old Dettol water, soap or disinfectants like Lysol will do. Use a damp cloth and avoid it being too wet. Use a microfiber cloth if you have one. It is the best option. Keep sanitizer and tissue in your car, so after you handle money or pay, you can sanitize your hands again. When you do have to get back into your cars again, before you do, it would be advisable to give the entire upholstery a good wipe down or vacuum clean. Here too, a mild damp cloth is the best option for a good wipe down. AC systems can harbor a lot of fungi, so before you start using your car regularly again, do get the AC system serviced by a professional. If you want a DIY solution, run a hand vacuum through the vents and spray the air vents with a disinfectant. Again, remember the ones to avoid damaging the materials. There are those that have to still go out and provide essential services. These tips can help. However, for others, stay home and stay safe.